Hey everyone, my name is Caleb with Steve Landers Toyota in Northwest Arkansas, and here we have a 2020 Toyota RAV4 XLE. This one is in silver sky metallic. Up front we're going to have the automatic LED headlamps with LED daytime running lights and fog lights. The Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 radar is behind the Toyota emblem, and the camera for the supplemental systems are up there in the windshield as well. We've got these nice polished 5-spoke 17-inch aluminum wheels. And down below we got some black body cladding, body color mirrors with turn signals, and black roof rails. We've got that new floating roof design that debuted for the 2019 model year for this generation of RAV4. Back here we've got dual outlet exhausts with some more black cladding and XLE badging. We do have a power lift gate, so that can be controlled by the key, or you can just come back here and touch the sensor and it will open up. The RAV4 has a ton of cargo space, as you'll see. We've got a backpack here for reference, but all around the vehicle is a nice amount of cargo space. We do have a light back here with some 12-volt power. There is a cargo shade as well to kind of keep prying eyes out of there. And to shut this up, you just push on the button and it will close the lift gate. Taking a look at the window sticker, feel free to pause if you'd like any more information. But this is a 2020 XLE front-wheel drive in silver sky. This is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder with over 200 horsepower. With the 8-speed automatic, you're going to get 28 miles per gallon in the city and 35 on the highway. Really a great gas mileage for this vehicle. This particular one has the XLE convenience package and the Audio Plus package. You're also going to find a few little extra options for a grand total of $31,888. And here's one more look at this particular RAV4 before we jump on the inside and see all the technology and luxury features. This particular XLE does have Toyota's Smart Key Access system, and so by utilizing the key you can just walk up to it and lock and unlock the vehicle. To lock the vehicle, you just press on this ribbed portion at the top of the handle and it will unlock. You can grab the handle and it will unlock and you can open it up. There is blind spot monitoring on the mirrors, and that does pair well with the rear cross traffic. This particular interior is the two-tone fabric. We do have one-touch automatic up-down windows, but these were freshly tinted. We do have power locks and power mirrors. Over here we do have panel dim with automatic high beams and the power liftgate controls, and a full power driver's seat with power lumbar. And so getting in the RAV4, there's an easy step in height, and all you got to do to start it is put your foot on the brake and hit the button to start. Inside the RAV4 you're going to have nice gauges with a LCD center display. That can be controlled by these 4 arrows right here. And so going down, we've got our distance to empty in miles per gallon, as well as our eco indicator. This goes back to our range and our digital speedometer. We've also got Toyota Safety Sense right here, and so you can activate that by this button right here. And so we've got lane trace assist with steering assist, and it will show up right there. We've also got audio, trip computer, different settings. So this is lane trace assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, road sign assist, as well as vehicle settings and other settings, and then any check control messages. Over here we do have Bluetooth telephone, as well as voice activation and steering wheel audio controls. More steering wheel audio controls, as well as the radar cruise control with following distance and activation for that lane trace assist. Automatic LED headlamps with fog lights, as well as variable intermittent speed wipers with rear wiper. This is the upgraded Audio Plus 8 inches for the Entune system. Right here is the home screen with your trip computer, phone, and radio. Going to menu is going to show that we've got audio, phone, apps, projection, info, and setup. Projection will be for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For audio, and going to sources, we've got FM, AM, XM satellite radio with USB and Bluetooth streaming audio. Going to our map, we don't have a navigation app installed, but you can get that added or use Apple CarPlay and it will work just perfect. We've got Seek, Track, Phone, and Apps, as well as this really cool pattern on all of the knobs, and so they're really easy to use and it feels good in your hands. 2 air vents down below that produce a lot of heat or air conditioning, which is really nice. Dual zone automatic climate control Down below that, we've got traction control off, as well as automatic start-stop deactivation, USB and a 12-volt power outlet, as well as a little bit of storage right here. Shifting into reverse in this 8-speed automatic does reveal a backup camera with dynamic guidance lines. We do have 2 views for a more widescreen panoramic view. Shifting into drive does reveal that you can shift it yourself with manual shiftability. We do have a power parking brake as well as a brake hold feature. Brake hold is a great feature that allows you to take your foot off the brake and it holds the vehicle in place, so if you're in a drive-through or stop-and-go traffic, you don't have to keep your foot pressed on the brake. And then we do have Eco, Sport, and Normal drive modes. 2 large cup holders as well as a padded center armrest with console storage for 2 USB ports for charging and some paint sealant. Up above that, we do have a manual dimming rear view mirror with sunglasses storage, some illumination right here, Toyota Safety Connect, as well as a one-touch power opening sunroof. It lets a lot of light into the cabin and it produces a nice breeze, especially on a summer day. And so you can also use a one-touch close. And once that closes up, you can leave this shade back for a nice view of the light inside the cabin. The back seat of the RAV4 is super spacious as well. Stepping in here, we've got that same 2-tone gray fabric. An easy height, and shutting the door does reveal that you've got a lot of rear leg room, perfect for longer trips. We do have a map pocket on the passenger seat, as well as vents, which is really nice. Some lower models don't have that, and vents are definitely needed back here. We do have 2 USB ports for charging, as well as a pull-down center armrest with 2 cup holders. And looking at the cabin, this does reveal it's a really nice place to be, and it's really easy to take a road trip with some of your friends in this vehicle. If you have any additional questions about this RAV4, feel free to reach out to us. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.